Hi, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads and an easy note card holder. If you'd like to make one, I'm happy to show you how. Start with a piece of cardstock cut to 7.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Score the long side at 4 inches and 4.5 inches. Score the short side at 5.25 inches and 5.5 inches. On the bottom long side, measure 1 inch to the left of the left score line and 1 inch to the right of the right score line. Draw a faint line from each point up to the second score line intersection. Cut away this pyramid shape. Flip the cardstock over and fold on all score lines. This will be the inside of your note card holder. Flip the holder over and add a layer to the front panel. I used the Fern 3D embossing folder. It's much easier to do this now when the holder is flat. Now we'll finish constructing the inside of the folder. I cut 2 more pieces of cardstock to 1.25 inches by 2 inches and scored the long sides at 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. Fold on all score lines. Next, add tear and tape as shown. Remove the liner on the small section and place it on the inside lower flap. Remove the liner on the last 2 pieces, fold up the bottom and adjusting the bottom edge until it's square, press to adhere the side piece. Repeat on the other side. Now it's time to decorate the note cards. I'm using patterned paper along with a mat of cardstock. I'm stamping the sentiment on vellum cardstock and setting it aside to dry. Using a heat tool to really set the ink so it does not smear. applied a tiny amount of seal adhesive to the back of the vellum strip. It blends in with the pattern paper and is virtually invisible. Next, I die cut some flower images. A few dots of liquid glue, and it's ready to go on the front of the card. I made a total of 4 note cards with matching envelopes for this project. To finish off the holder, add a length of ribbon about 30 inches long and tie it in a pretty bow. I added a small panel decorated to match the note cards to the front of the holder. This helps keep the ribbon in place once it's opened. I added one more panel to the back, also to hold the ribbon in place. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below, and thanks for watching.